Very good morning to all of you. So, children, after learning letter Y, the cursive letter Y with the sound and the pictures, let's start with the written of letter Y in your book. So, children, open book. Let's do practice alphabets. Let's practice alphabets and open page number 89 in the book. So, children, this is your page number 89. In this you have to color the pictures as I have done, and you have to do the rainbow writing in letter Y. So first of all, write the date. What is the date today? Today is 20-8-2020 and this is your classwork. Okay, now let's start with the rainbow writing. First we will do the rainbow writing with purple. Down to up. Just move on the dotted lines. Make curve as we do in U. Then up. Come down. Slanting. With the same line, make a loop. Go up slanting. Now with indigo. Down to up. Go down. Make a curve. Go up. Then come down slanting. Make a loop and go up slanting as we used to do in letter G. Now with blue, down to up, make a curve, come down, make the curve of U, go up, come down slanting, make a loop and go up slanting. Then with green, down to up, make a curve, U, go up slanting, with the same line come down, make a loop and go up. Now with yellow, down to up, make a curve, up, down, make a loop and go up. Now with orange, down to up, make a curve, go up, with the same line come down slanting, make a loop and go up slanting. Now last is red, down to up, make a curve of U, go up, come down slanting and make a loop and go up slanting. So children, this way you have to do page number 89 in your book, and you have to do the rainbow writing and you have to do the color in the pictures starting with the letter Y. So what are the pictures here? Y ear yolk, Y ear yarn, Y ear yak, Y ear yo-yo. Okay, now let's do the practice of letter Y in page number 90. This is your page number 90, and in this we will do the practice of letter Y. First of all, put the date 20-8-20 20 August 2020, and this is your classwork, so take the classwork. So here first of all we will draw the pictures related with letter Y. So what all we can draw? We can make yarn. Mama makes sweaters with yarn. Yarn. Okay, now we can make yolk. Yellow part of the egg is yolk. First make one egg, and you can just show the yellow part of egg. The yellow part of egg is yolk. Y here, yolk. So now let's color the pictures. Yarn you can make of any color. Yarn can be of any color, but yolk should be yellow. The center part of the egg, that is yellow, is called yolk. Why here? Yolk. This is the inside part of the egg yolk. Now let's start with the writing of Y. First of all, we will do the dotted lines, down to up, come down slanting, make a curve, within two lines go up, and without stopping your pencil, come down to the black line and make a loop, go up, down to up, make a curve, go up, come down, make a loop and go up. This way you have to do the dotted lines. Just write on the dots. Now let's start with the dot, down to up, as we used to make U. This is your U, this is your letter U. Now without stopping, in U you have to go, you have to do within two lines. Now in Y it will go down this way, and then you have to make a loop and go up. This is the loop of letter G, as you used to do in letter G. This is the same loop, down to up, make curve, come down slanting, make a loop and go up. It's very easy. Y here, Y here, yolk, Y here, yarn, Y here, yak, Y here, yo-yo, Y here, yarn. Just keep on repeating the sound of letter Y while writing. Y here. This way. We are making Y in yacht. So children, this way you have to complete your letter Y in page number 90, and 91 page is your homework. So children, page number 91 is your homework. In this you have to again draw the pictures and write letter Y. And one more homework you have, that is page number 85. In this you have to write the letter. Know your village. In this one picture of village is drawn, and in this write the related letters in the given boxes. Like sun, so what letter should come here? Like tree, what letter should come here? Then cow, what letter should come? This way you have to do this homework and send me your images. Bye bye, take care.